Today we will dive into a crucial nutrient that can turn your garden from ordinary to extraordinary. It's potassium. Stand by, y'all. So potassium plays a vital role in plant health. It helps regulate many essential processes from water uptake to enzyme activation. Potassium encourages the development of strong roots, helping plants absorb water and nutrients more effectively. If you want juicy and flavorful fruits, potassium is your friend. It enhances fruit size, color, and taste. Potassium strengthens plant cell walls, making them more resilient against diseases and pests. Whether it's drought or extreme temperatures, potassium helps plants manage stress, ensuring they thrive even in tough conditions. Potassium aids in the process of photosynthesis, ensuring your plants produce the energy they need to grow. You can easily add potassium to your garden in a variety of ways, such as burying banana peels in your soil. Banana peels are an excellent source of potassium. Wood ash is an awesome source of potassium for your garden as well. However, you should avoid using wood ash around acid-loving plants like blueberries, as it can increase the soil's pH level, which can interfere with plant growth. You may also want to consider using high potassium content commercial fertilizers. The percentage of potassium contained in commercial fertilizers is usually notated by the last number displayed on the packaging. For example, a 5, 10, 15 fertilizer will contain 15% potassium. So keep an eye out for signs of potassium deficiency in your garden, such as yellowing leaves, weak stems, and poor fruit development. If you notice any of these signs, it may be time to add some potassium to your garden.